Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's topic is MS Excel camera tool. Camera tool is one icon. When you add it up as a tool, this will be very fascinating. Let me elaborate during the course of the meeting, during the course of the training, how this is useful. So let me introduce the data set. I have four tabs, namely Pareto have. This is the data where I have for Pareto details, followed by CAT details I have, followed by ICC ranking, best batsman, followed by best bowler. I have this detail I have taken from Wikipedia, and then I have expense sheet. So this is the extra expense. This is the detail I have. All I had to do is I had to bring it into the summary. So let's see that the conventional approach, conventional route. What you do, you just copy this detail, and then once you copy it, this green dot will go around. Then copy this one, and then I'm just pasting as a picture. And so, for example, because I need a summary, and then this summary I can also take it to PPT and all that. So that's the reason I just pasted as a picture. Now, one drawback of this one is whenever I change the value, for example, instead of 22, I'm making 18, right? So all the data, source data got changed, fantastic. But this hasn't got changed, 22 old data which remain, right? So this is the one issue with picture, right? When you're pasting picture, so it captures the only the current data, and then it portray the data. So what we need to do in order to so there is a way out that even if we just allow to have that picture as a summary and all that, even if we change the source data, automatically will come. So let's see how, right? So you always have said there is something called customize quick access toolbar, right? In that, have a click on more, and then you can go to all this thing, and then you can go for calc. And I have already camera, I'm just removing it. I will just edit it once again. Just go for camera and give add. So it has added here. So that means all these things what I have added, it will be here. For example, save, undo, I have redo, I have speak cells, and speak cell by rows, by inter, and all that I have. So I will give okay. So let's see the magic. Let's say this is the details I have, which I'm going to just click this one, camera, and you can see the plus mark is coming up along with that marking. Plus mark is coming up. So let's say I have to go here, paste this value. Maybe I will just go to view, and then okay, I'll just paste this value here. Okay, it got pasted. Now the beauty, look at this. So this is the first value, quantity is 18 quantity we have. I wanted to change in the source from 18 to 22, example, 18 to 22. So this has got changed, as well as this also has got changed in the picture also as well. Automatically it's taking the value from here. So let's do the second values. Copy this one, click camera, and then ensure that you have a plus mark. Come back here and then paste it. Yeah, it got pasted. Let's do the third one. Just select this value, maybe 2000 from 10. Select this value, camera, and then come back and drop here. Yeah, so you can either you can drag, drop, or you can just double click, it comes there. And same like expense. This is the value I have, and all I have to do is select the camera. So I'm ensuring that plus symbol is coming up, and then either you can just select this way. This is one way, or you can just, for example, you can just select this camera, and plus is there. Even if you double click it, automatically comes here. Sorry, it comes here, right? So there are many ways you can do it. So now all these data, although it's a picture, if you wanted to use this one little bit of customizations, you can very well do, and all that based on your requirement. And the beauty is when you change the data in the source, for example, expense, you can see here the expense value is Jan 0. So let's say I will make 2000. Okay, and the graph got updated, and then this also has got updated. Let's say another small change I will do. December, I'll make it 100, right? So automatically it got 100. So this is very useful. And to wait, one more quick summary. Just to add this one, go to quick access toolbar and go to more, and then you have camera. Look for camera, go to all, because this is hidden features. Go to camera and take it up here. That's all. I already have. Maybe I can remove and add it up again. Just add it, it comes there. So it comes there. Whenever you wanted to take, you can do it. I hope you find this video very useful. I will be making much more in the Excels and other tools also as well. Take good care, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have